I was scrolling on YouTube and I noticed this channel. This horror stories channel has received more than 1 million views in the last month, and it's making more than $70,000 a year using only stock footage and a voiceover. Is this too good to be true? Is this type of content even monetized? The answer is yes. So guys, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to tap into this niche using free AI tools. Step 1. The idea. We're choosing the story niche because AI is very creative and can come up with some very great story ideas. And also, I want the videos to be extremely easy to automate. And with stories, you're not gonna need any editing skills to make videos daily. Step 2. The branding. Now that we have our channel idea, let's ask ChatGPT to name our channel. The prompt that I'm using is, generate name suggestions for a YouTube channel that tells horror and scary real-life stories that have situations that can shock the viewer. I think I'm gonna go with Nightmare Chronicles. It sounds pretty scary. Now let's head out to Stable Diffusion to create our profile picture. In the prompt section, I'm gonna write, person waking up from a nightmare. We got this image. Right-click and save, and we're gonna use it as our profile picture. Step 3. The content. Now that our channel is set up, let's use AI to create some content. I asked ChatGPT to come up with some horror story ideas using this prompt. Come up with ideas of real-life horror stories to tell in a YouTube video. The story should be emotionally provocative and relatable to a large number of people. I copied one of the ideas that AI gave me and used it in a different prompt to generate a script. You can screenshot it if you want. Now that I have my script, let's go to step 4, the voiceover. Let's get real for a second here, guys. I'd love to tell you that AI voiceovers is the way to go, but sadly, it's not. YouTube doesn't really like AI voiceovers, and you'll have trouble to monetize your channel. So please buy a mic or use your phone, but record your own voiceover. You don't want to spend the next month or two uploading videos to not be eligible for monetization, so be smart. Step 5, the editing. With the voiceover done, let's create the video. We're going to head back to Stable Diffusion and generate a picture based on our story title. Save the image and head to your favorite editing software. In my case, it's Premiere Pro. I'm going to import the image and the voiceover, drag them into the timeline, then I'm going to stretch the image to the whole length of the voiceover. That's it. Click export and it's done. Step 5, final touches. We'll ask ChatGPT for a relevant title, description, and tags and use them to upload the video. Now for the final step, the thumbnail. I'd recommend to spend some time designing an eye-catching thumbnail, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna make a pretty standard one using Canva. We create a new design, import the image we created earlier, then drag it to the workspace. Add some text, make it a little bigger, and you're good to go. Now let's head back to YouTube to upload our video with the title, description, and thumbnail that we already made. And boom, we're done! I hope you find this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.